Hey everyone, if your LED light strip remote suddenly stops working, don't panic. This is a very common issue and usually easy to fix. In most cases, the problem comes down to three things: batteries, power, or connections. Start with the remote batteries, because this alone causes a huge number of failures. Swap them out with fresh ones, double check the plus and minus direction, and clean the battery contacts if you notice dust or corrosion. If the remote still doesn't respond, move on to the power supply. Make sure the LED strip's power adapter is firmly plugged into the wall and into the controller, and check for a solid indicator light on the controller that confirms it's receiving power. Next, inspect every connection in the system. Loose plugs between the power supply, controller, and LED strip are a major cause of remote failure. Push each connector in firmly and confirm the arrows or markings line up correctly. If everything looks fine but the remote still doesn't work, consider signal limitations. Infrared remotes need a clear line of sight, so furniture or decor can block the signal. RF remotes can suffer interference from Wi-Fi routers or other wireless devices. A simple power cycle can help turn the LED strip off, wait about 10 seconds, and turn it back on. Some remotes also need to be repaired with the controller. If none of this works, the controller itself may be failing, and switching to a phone app or smart controller can be a more reliable long-term solution.